Today we will discuss about articles. Articles are of two types. First is our common article. These are our a and an. And the is our special article. Let's start with an. An used with the singular noun beginning with vowel sound. These are our vowels A, E, I, O, U. But when they will produce the sound of हिंदी वॉवल्स स्वर, हमारे जब ये हिंदी के स्वर की आवाज देंगे तभी इनके साथ एन का प्रयोग होगा. ए विल गिव साउंड ऑफ आ, ई विल गिव साउंड ऑफ ई ए, आई विल गिव साउंड ऑफ ई, ओ विल गिव साउंड ऑफ ओ ऊ, and you will give sound of o. Only then we can use article an with these vowels. Some examples are here. This is dash apple. Vowel a is giving sound of a, apple, and a is our article in Hindi also. I saw an ab. I saw an elephant. That is an ice cream. I have an ink pot. I have an idea. Next examples: an orange, an umbrella, an American, an amazing sight, amazing view, an honest. H is our consonant, but it is giving sound of O, and sound of a vowel is necessary to use article an. An R, again here we have H, consonant word, but H is H-O, both are giving sound of A, so we can use here an. Next examples are also here. These example shows that if we have vowel but these vowel are not giving sound of vowel, then we cannot use an with these vowel. For example, useful. Cow is useful animal. A useful animal, not an useful animal. Because U is a vowel but it is giving sound of consonant y. Unique. A unique, not an unique. Again, U is giving sound of here, not a. Historical and historical. Here is H consonant, but it is giving sound of E. So, historical and historical building. European. I have seen an European in the market yesterday. European, not European. European, a European, not an European, because it is also giving sound of y. University, a university, not an university. Y, again consonant sound with vowel letter. So here we will use a, not an. Our next example is next vowel a. A is used with singular noun beginning with consonant sound. When a singular noun will start with the letter or with sound of a consonant, then we will use article a. When a will give sound of a, that time we have used an, but now we have some consonant here. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I have also written consonant sound which will be here in Hindi. When B will sound of B, C, K, D, D, F, F, G, G, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, P, P, Q, Q, quality. Okay. R, R, S, S, T, T, V, V, W also V, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. When these consonants will sound off these words, only then we will use article A with them. Generally, if we'll talk, I have a book. In a general view, that time we can use article A. A book. Let's go for a walk. Let's have a talk. I have a good book. I have a pen. Generally, when we talk, that time we can use article A. Next is, if letter is a vowel but giving sound of consonant. For example, university, it is giving sound of consonant. A vowel letter U is giving sound of consonant Y. Here, Y. Unique, again giving sound of consonant. Useful, again giving sound of consonant. We have vowels here, but if these are giving sound of consonant, then we will use here A, not N. If we are talking first time about a thing, firstly we are mentioning about a thing, that time we will use article A. For example, I saw a beautiful girl. The girl was going to school. I saw a beautiful girl. It is our first sentence. First time I have mentioned a beautiful girl. But if it is sure that I am talking about this girl, then again I have not used article A. Then she is special because I am talking about her. So I have put here article the. The girl was going to school because she is same girl whom I have mentioned in my first sentence. This is a good book. Again in a general talk. Our next article is our special article, our specific article. It is used specially in special things. When we are talking second time about a thing, as I have already mentioned here, that time we will use the. For example, I ate a banana. A is here common. Commonly I am talking about a banana. The banana was very sweet. Why I have mentioned here the? Because I am talking about this banana. So I have put article the here. The man who stole my car has been arrested. Why this man is special? Because he had stolen my car and he has been also arrested. So this man is different from others. This man is special from other or unique from others. The is used with unique things, with planets, with sun, the moon, the sky. The is used with the directions. The sun rises in the east, the North Pole, the South Pole. Mountain ranges. The is used with mountain ranges also. For example, Mount Everest is the highest peak. With holy rivers, it is used the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra. The is also used with religious books, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Next is our the is used with superlative degree. She is the most intelligent student of our class. The most intelligent, superlative degree. And when it is used with comparative degree, let's see. When there is comparison of two things, Riya is the better of the two sisters. That time we can use article the. Riya is the better of the two sisters. Next is the higher you go, the cooler it is with comparison. Because higher, the higher you go, the cooler it is. Both will consider a change. So with higher also and with cooler also we'll use article the. With name of countries which is a union of small units. With those countries name which is the union of small units. For example, the USA, the UK, the West Indies, not the India, the China, because these countries are union of other small units. Next, we can use the with these countries which will have speciality. Dutch, CH, Dutch, the Swiss, double S, the Japanese, ES. With the name of these countries also we can use article the. The is also used with institution when they are not meant for the real cause. Temple, hospital, jail, school, market. With these institutions when they are not meant for the real cause. Means we are going to temple but we are not going to worship. We are going to hospital but not for treatment. Going to prison but not as a criminal. Going to school but not as a student. That time we can use article the with the sentence. For example, I went to the temple to meet my uncle. I have another cause here. So I have put article the before temple. I dropped my sister to the hospital. I did not go there for treatment. I went there to drop my sister. Clear? Next is my father went to the school to meet my younger brother, not for taking education. Next use of the is here. The is used with the numbers also. kg, measurements. Vegetables are sold by the kg, kilogram. Next example, banana is sold by the dozen. Banana is sold by the dozen, number. Cloth is sold by the meter. This is for measurement. So in this way we can use article the.